Yeah. So see, when we write range 0, it means it will not have anything. Okay. So it will be empty, nothing. It has blank. If you put something in list of range 10, then it will have 0 to 9. If you put something 1 to 10, so I told you this should be one extra. So that's why it will start with 1, but it will go up to 9 only. This is the example of different range values. So this is another value. If you run something num to range 10, it will give you 0 to 9. We have seen that. If you give a range 1 to 11, it means it will give 1 to 10. Okay. Suppose that I want to print even number from 2 to 12. Then I will start with 2 and up to 12. So actually it will be one less actually. And then a step of 2 means every second number it will print. So this is even number from 2 to 10. Because this is a step. A step means how many number it will jump. So from 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2. This is a step. So every 2, this is a step value. If I'll make it 3, then what value we are going to get? Anyone?
Sir, can I?
Yeah,
We'll get 2, 5, 8, and that's it.
yeah, right. 2, 5, 8, 11.
Oh, yeah, we'll get 11 as well. Yes, sir.
Okay. So whatever value you give, that will be added one after another here. Okay. So there are some more example. If you want to suppose a print number from like you want to give, so these are multiplication, some kind of 1 to 5. I want to multiply what we have seen earlier, multiplication table. So I want to print number of 2, like you want 2 to, I'll make it 1 to 11. It will give the table of 2. If I'll make it suppose that 10, or suppose that once 1982. The table of 1982, if I want to print, just I'll run it, we'll get it. So number multiplied by 1 to 10. If I want to get table of 19. So I hope it is easier for you as of now. It is just another way of adding, find sum of 10 numbers. We just keep on adding the number from 1 to 10. So let us
Sir,
keep up to this one here, and till now, whatever we have seen, we'll see some examples. I'll give you some assignments, some basic assignment you can do, and then we'll cover tomorrow from here. Like maybe not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. We have to practice up to whatever we have learned. Maybe let us complete this. So we have seen if you give this 5 without any start and a step, it will go from 0 to 4. If you give a start and a stop, so it will start from 5 to n minus 1. If you give 5, 10, and 2, so 5 is the start value, this is the end value, a stop value, this is a stop value, a step value. So these are the 3 different cases we have seen for range. So based of this, I will give you some question. I will upload this notebook to you. Let us solve some questions using this. Yeah, Randeep, go ahead.
sir, can you go back to the step and that stuff? I'll make a note so it just stays in front.
Which step?
The range,
This one?
no, not that one, the main
Yeah.
one.
Uh,
The one above, the one above. Yeah, that one.
A start, a stop, a step size. It will have 3 values. Try to read the which I gave you, no? Please try to read, okay?
Yeah.
Just don't jump onto the assignment. Read this. When I'll upload this notebook, read this, practice this in this notebook itself. You try to do some changes, then you will have practice. Then you try to solve the assignment. Don't do the assignment directly. So
Okay.
this part
yes,
I
sir.
see that you are missing. Practice this notebook. You keep on do some changes. Practice with that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, then I must stop to share and I'll upload this right away.